Today I'm going to show you the advantages of using the ContiTech Vintner hose in breweries and food handling plants. In most applications and most plants that I've been to, I always see kinked hoses, crushed hoses, hoses that have been abused. This hose deals with a lot of those issues. Most of your hoses, especially your suction hoses, have a wire helix. This particular hose has a monofilament helix that's inside between the tube and the cover, and it will actually bounce back and reform itself after it's been collapsed. So we're going to demonstrate that now with having our McGill hose delivery truck run over this sample piece. Okay, Chris, go forward. Nice and slow. See how it collapsed. And look at that. It's almost perfect. Back over it again. Okay, good. As you can see, little or no distortion. This hose is fully functional. The tube is perfect on the inside, and you can keep going. Thank you.